Looking for MAC makeup for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Pro Longwear Paint Pot Painterly Nude Beige is a highly pigmented, long-wearing eyeshadow that goes on creamy and dries to an intense, vibrant finish. Its superior color purity stays true and will not streak, crease or flake, by M.A.C. Number 2, M.A.C Matte Lipstick, Velvet Teddy. Color is a deep tone beige, matte, another great product by M.A.C. Number 3, M.A.C Satin Lipstick Twig 3G. Color plus texture for the lips. Stands out on the runway. Simmers on the street. What made M.A.C famous, by Cybersense. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.